Just received my LG PCB board from a service parts supplier. As you can see, I'm comparing the new one here at the bottom versus the one that's in my from my machine. I haven't taken it off the main control panels yet. But if you look closely, you'll see that there's a diode bank right here. There are 4 diodes and they look pretty burnt out. And if you compare that to the new service part that I just got, everything is clean. You don't see that burnt mark. So hopefully this is what's been causing all the issues that I've been having with my machine not starting, and when it does start, it stops mid-cycle. Yeah, I did strip it down, change the thermistors and all the other troubleshooting potential issues or causes that I might have had. I replaced those, but for some reason I overlooked the PCB, and that's the problem. Once it's fixed, I will upload another video showing it's running. Thank you. Hope this has been very helpful for you. I wish I had seen something like this online when I started my journey to have my LG dryer repaired. Thank you.